Casper Nyovest celebrated Tyler winning the Grammy. On Facebook, he posted, Tyler won another Grammy as Bonge, meaning like, let's give thanks. And I just want to say that it's such a power move. And to be honest, I feel like South African celebrities, I mean, I might be wrong, they don't celebrate Tyler the way that they should. Like everybody else is just quiet, but also I do believe that it's because of she's been winning awards every year. Like every award she's nominated and she wins. Like we just cannot keep up, and not everybody else is a fan of Grammys, right? Even though on social media there's so much drama regarding her winning over Davido. Like now it's back to Nigeria versus South Africa. And we're just like you guys know that before Tyler, like almost every award was collected by Nigerians. AKA was once nominated. A lot of people were nominated, South Africans rather. They were nominated, but we never said anything. In fact, we said one day our time will come, and our time came with Tyler, and it's our time now to celebrate. People feel like Davido deserved the award more than her, but numbers don't lie. You guys also need to remember that Tyler has fans all over the world, right? Tyler is an international artist. She does not only do music for Africans or only Americans. Tyler has fans in South Korea. Tyler has fans in India. Tyler has fans in Thailand. Tyler has fans everywhere in the world. So her numbers will obviously peak more than Davido, even though he has been in the industry more than Tyler. So I feel like it's fair and the numbers don't lie. But Nigerians feel some type of way. But at least for us, like Casper, we are celebrating Tyler. And here on Life React, we would like to say congratulations to Tyler. Work harder. Next year we are collecting another one.